I'm going to show you how to measure for our casual kilt. Now, the best measuring tool you can get is a tailor's tape measure. This is the way you want to measure for the kilt. If you don't have one of those, a retractable metal tape measure will work in a pinch. Our casual kilt can be worn at one of two heights. You can either wear it like a traditional kilt up above your belly button, or you can wear it at your jeans waist about 2 inches or so lower than your belly button. Now, that is the first thing you have to determine is where you want to wear the kilt, because you're going to take your length measurement later on based on that placement. All right, let's assume that you want to wear your casual kilt like you wear your pair of jeans. So take your tape measure and measuring around the widest part right there, you want to pull the tape measure snug, about as snug as you would want your kilt to fit you. The second measurement we're going to take is the hip measurement. This measurement you want taken a little bit loosely. So at the side of your body, go around the widest part of your rear end, and you should be able to fit a couple fingers underneath the tape measure and slide it back and forth. Now the third measurement we need, there's actually 3 ways to measure. We're going to do the length measurement. Now, the first way you're going to do the length measurement is if you have an assistant's help. So with the assistant, you're going to make sure the person who's going to be getting the kilt is standing straight with their back straight, looking straight ahead. Do not let them bend over and look down at the waist measurement because it's going to affect the overall length of the kilt. So with the tape measure, kneel down next to them, and the place where on their body where they took the waist measurement from is going to be the top of where you put the tape measure. So in this example, let's say it's at the jeans waist. So you find the jeans waist where you took the waist measurement from, measure down the side of the body to the middle of the knee. The second way to measure for the length of your kilt is if you don't have anyone to help you. You're going to use a retractable metal tape measure. Now, kneeling down, you want to make sure that your back is straight and you're not looking down. Take the metal tape measure and put the 0 end on the floor and measure up to the spot where you took the waist measurement. Now, the third method we have for measuring the length of your kilt is what we call the beach towel method. Go to your room and wear a pair of boxers and a comfortable t-shirt. Stand about 10 feet back from a full-length mirror so you can get a little bit of an angle on what you're looking at. And you're going to fold a beach towel over to about 24 inches, and you're going to hold the top of the beach towel up to where you would wear your kilt. If it's a little bit too long, then fold the kilt down a little bit. If it's a little bit too short, fold it up a little bit, or the opposite. Once you get the proper length for the kilt, just take the beach towel, lay it on the bed, and measure top of the towel to the bottom of the towel, and that's the measurement for your kilt.